Hello my lovely friends, this is Nef from Nef's Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I wanted to share with you the eyeshadow palettes which I got in last few months from Boxycharm. And if you have watched my Daiso haul, I told you that every month I receive eyeshadow palettes. I can say 95% of the time I receive an eyeshadow palette from Boxycharm. I really stopped buying only if I really like some eyeshadow palette I would buy, and that too I have not bought it from long time. So anyways, I wanted to share with you in one video what are the eyeshadow palettes which I got in recent months. So this I was not putting it on Instagram also, so I thought why not I do a video and show you all the eyeshadow palettes. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you the eyeshadow palettes, and they are not in the right order month by month, but I am still showing you the palettes. The first palette I'm going to show you is this one, and this is Tarte Pro Remix from Tarte, and behind doesn't say much here. And I am wearing right now two colors, in fact three colors from this palette. Let me show you quickly. This is how it looks, and I am wearing this black here on my lower lash line. Then I am wearing this color which is wall art, and the black one is ink, and this one is wall art, and this is kind of a brownish nudish color. I'm wearing it here, almost like a transition and color. And on my main eyelid I'm wearing this color which is DIY. See? And I just applied with my fingers just like that, nothing, I didn't use any brush. And I really loved all the colors. There are a lot of shimmery colors, like pressed shimmery satiny kind of colors, and mattes are only 3. That is the only issue, but there are so many other palettes I'm sure you will have where they have matte colors, but I really liked all this satiny shimmery finish color. So the next one which I'm going to show you is this, and this is Natasha Denona palette, and I have used it like in my parties, just because this color is one of my favorite as a transition color, and this dark brown I can do like my corners, and this is a very nice basic color combination. And Natasha Denona palettes are normally very expensive, so I don't think so I would have bought myself. So the next palette is ding 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 ding, yeah, this is Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. I don't think so I have used this color. Yeah, by seeing you can know I haven't touched this palette. The plastic is intact. So if you want me to do any eyeshadow look with any of the palettes which I showed you, which I'm going to show you, please comment below. I can use it because I myself want to use it, and I'm not going anywhere, not going to any parties, so I don't get chance to wear any of these eyeshadows, but I can do it for you. So this is very nice neutral everyday kind of eyeshadow palette, because I really like this kind of shades. So the next palette, tan-tan-tan, and this is the Queen, and it says a queen lies in all of us too. And this is Eloise. I'm not sure of the pronunciation. If I'm butchering it, I'm so sorry. So this is, it says 20 pigment palette in 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. So this is how the palette is. It's a really nice combination of colors. And I have not used this palette also. It has beautiful colors, and like I read, it has some buttery mattes and some shimmery and some satin finish, and all the pop-up colors. It looks beautiful. So the next palette is this one, and this is Violet Was Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette, and I have not touched this palette, and it's still in the packaging. Ooh, look at this. As you see, the packaging is intact, the plastic is here, and it has nice combination of colors. It has some brown, black, some shimmery, nice green, and some gray. And I'm sorry, I'm very bad with explaining the colors, but here are the colors, and really, really, really beautiful. So let's move on to next one. Ta-da! And this is Hip Dot, and this is Hip Dot. I think this is the latest one, if I'm not wrong. Let's open from the packaging. So this is how it looks. The packaging looks really beautiful, nice green, and it says Cenote, I don't know. Pressed eyeshadow palette. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds. And anyway, so I don't want to waste your time reading all that information. So this is lot of blues and some neutral gold, bronze. Wow, I don't know when I can use or whether I will use this side of the colors. This side definitely I can use, but this one I'm not sure. But the palette looks beautiful. So these were the palettes which I received in recent months, and I think couple of the eyeshadow palettes I gave it away to my niece to also share, so that she can share it with my sisters. So these were the eyeshadow palettes, and if you want to see any look from any eyeshadow palette, please comment below and let me know. If you want me to review any of the palette, also let me know by commenting below. And please subscribe, guys. It really means a lot to me. And also comment below and let me know what would you like to see in future videos. And definitely I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.